In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Notion. If you want to create simple to-do lists, track tasks, or organize notes more clearly, checkboxes are one of the most useful tools in Notion. The good news is that adding them is very quick. And there are two easy ways to do it. I'll walk you through both methods, so you can choose whichever feels more natural while you are working. Let's start with the fastest method. On your Notion page, click on a blank line so your cursor is active and ready for typing. Then type open and close square brackets, like this. Left bracket and right bracket with nothing in between. As soon as you do, Notion will instantly convert that line into a checklist item. This is a great shortcut when you want to work quickly without opening any menus. Once the checkbox appears, you can simply type the text for your task right next to it. This method is especially helpful if you already like using keyboard shortcuts because it keeps your workflow fast and uninterrupted. If the checkbox doesn't appear right away, make sure you are on an empty line and that you pressed space after typing both brackets. That final space is what triggers Notion to recognize the format and turn it into a checklist. Now let's look at the second method, which uses the / command again. Start by clicking on a blank line on your page, type /to-do, then press enter. Notion will create a new checkbox item for you automatically. Once it appears, type your task and press enter again. When you do that, Notion will automatically create the next checkbox on a new line, which makes it very convenient for building a full checklist one item after another. This second method is perfect if you prefer using Notion's built-in commands or if you want a more guided way to insert content. It's also useful when you are learning the platform, because / commands help you discover different block types available in Notion. Both methods achieve the same result, so it really comes down to personal preference. If you want speed, use the square bracket shortcut. If you want a more menu-based command, use /to-do. Once you get used to either option, adding checkboxes in Notion becomes second nature and can make your pages much more organized. That's it. You now know two simple ways to add a checkbox in Notion and start building clean, functional checklists in seconds.